Oh, did I? That'll do, don't it? Yeah, give her good luck, eh? Oh, one of each now, eh? That's good.
No, sir.
That'll do, don't it? Get the net. Oh, it feels good, Josh. Oh, it feels good. Come on. Oh, no, it's not terrible. It's not great.
Gooder
than the first one, I think. Yeah. Oh, quick release.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
Oh, that's a nice black.
That's a fucking doober.
Oh, that's a nice black.
Oh my god. Yo, that's pushing 4.
Where's the hook?
Oh my god, perfect.
Okay, so that'll call out number 1.
Oh yeah, okay, now we can call out number 1.
Floating. Nope.
Oh. Double headler.
Double fucking headler.
I got the camera going, show them everybody the double header.
Which one is the keeper here? So grab the other ball for me.
The number 3.
And let's see which one.
This one's heavier.
Okay,
3 is heavier.
We're kicking out the largie.
Oh fuck, I netted him while I was fighting the fish. Did you see that? Oh! Yeah, I got you now. Oh! Oh! They're down there. We must be on a pocket of them.
Yeah, let's get the scale out of the net. That's asking for trouble.
Yep.
Good?
No.
First fish is always the biggest, eh?
Seems like it, eh? Oh!
I don't know if it's... It's exactly what we were trying to do.
Nice walleye.
That's a gorgeous walleye. That's probably like right on the fucking line, eh?
Hold it up. Beautiful. That's an eater. No, I'm good, but I'm good. Another eater.
Okay, let's move in here.
Beautiful.
Got me in the face with your hook.
It's alright.
What?
It's alright, we got pliers.